In this video, we're going to review midpoint and linear equations. The diagram shows the straight line L1 intersects the x-axis at 6, 0. When they give you a question like that, make sure that you put in the values if you don't see them on the diagram. And the y-axis at 0, 2. Write down the coordinates of M, the midpoint of line segment AB. The midpoint formula is in the formula booklet. You're going to see they give you the formula under topic 3, geometry and trigonometry, the coordinates of the midpoint. It doesn't matter which one I call x1, which one I call y1, but remember that every ordered pair is x comma y. So I can say this is x1, y1, and this one could be my x2, y2. So the midpoint here is going to be 0 plus 6 over 2, comma 2 plus 0 over 2, which is 6 over 2, 2 over 2, and the midpoint is 3 comma 1. Calculate the gradient of L1. The gradient, that word means slope for IB. The formula for slope is also in the formula booklet. That formula is under topic 2, functions. There's no reason why you can get slope incorrect on this test because they actually give you the formula. So the gradient is y2 minus y1, rise over run. That's the way a lot of you have learned it. So here I'm going to stay with the same way that I have labeled my points. y2 is 0 minus y1, which is 2, over x2, which is 6, minus x1, which is 0. Be very careful not to mess those up or you're going to get the wrong sign. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. So this is negative 1/3. So the gradient of L1 is negative 1/3. That makes sense because if you look at the line from left to right, the line is falling. So it should have a negative slope. The next part of the question says the line L2 is parallel to L1 and passes through the point 3, 2. Find the equation of L2. If it is parallel, that means it has the same gradient, the same slope. So that means that I'm going to write my slope is negative 1/3 and it has to pass through the point 3, 2. I'm going to use point slope form, which is also in your formula booklet. Notice how they give you point slope form under equations of a straight line in topic 2. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So this is going to be my x1, y1. That's the point that I have that the line passes through. Y minus 2 equals my slope. If my slope were perpendicular, if my line were perpendicular, then my slope here would be a positive 3 because it's a negative reciprocal. But because it is parallel, then it's going to have the same slope. Times x minus x1, which is 3. Normally I would be done, but because they were very specific as to the way they want us to write this equation, you have to make sure you give it to them in the form that they want. So I'm going to keep distributing, combining like terms so that I can get it into slope-intercept form. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/3 x. Negative 1/3 times a negative 3. You can either multiply that in your calculator or if you know, negative 1/3 times negative 3 is just a positive 1. Add 2 to both sides. So the correct answer is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 3. And that is going to be my final answer. Remember to download your free one-page plan so that you can pass your IB exam. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more help with math so that you can say, yes, I can do math with confidence. Until next time, thanks for watching.